Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the correct account. That matters because purchase history ties to one ID. Next, open the App Store or Google Play app and tap your profile or menu. Once there, go straight to Purchased or My Apps. This view lists apps tied to the account. Make sure to switch filters like All versus Not on this device to surface downloads you removed. If you have multiple accounts, repeat these steps for each. Once you locate the list, use Search or the Sort function to bring the specific app to the top. Search is faster for long histories. Then inspect whether the app shows installed, not on this device, or an update available. This tells you if reinstallation will restore data. Reinstall directly from that entry, open it, and grant necessary permissions. If there's missing data, make sure iCloud or Google Drive backups are enabled. Restore from backup, if available, to recover settings and files. Finish by organizing the apps you retrieved. Move important ones to folders or the home screen, and pin or mark favorites so they're easy to access. If an app doesn't appear or won't reinstall, clear cache, sign out and back into the store, and make sure your device OS is up to date. Also check family sharing settings and any secondary accounts. Often apps are hidden under a different email. If needed, contact store support with transaction details as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.